guys, checking to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. Your girl Stacy-Lee back in the kitchen. Today we'll be doing curry goat, fried chicken, and rice and peas. So that's rice and peas with fried chicken and curry goat. So that's what we'll be doing today. Behind the camera is yours truly, Madarine. Big up yourself. So let's get straight into it. So here we already have the goat meat already washed. So we're just going to get the seasoning to on it. So here we have the sweet pepper or the bell pepper already chopped, and we're now going to add it. And we have our green onions. We're going to add it to it. And then we're going to add our Goya seasoning to it.
Hi, camera.
How you doing, friends?
How you doing, friends? I don't want to play ball. I just want to play some game.
Okay, you can play your game. So that was the Italian seasoning.
It's Italian sneezing.
Yes, we add some Italian seasoning to it. I'm going to add some garlic seasoning to it. So this is the garlic salt. This is very salty, so be careful when we're adding this to it.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. We're just going to get all of this mixed in.
All of this in.
Yes, sir. Then we're going to add the curry powder to it. So this is the Jamaican choice curry powder. Alright, so we're now going to add this to the pressure cooker and give it about 8 minutes. So we're just adding it to the pressure cooker. So we just add a little water to it. It's all washed. Taste. So we already went ahead and put the peas in the pot and also the coconut milk. So we're gonna get some green onion in it. That's the green onion. Give it a stir. And then we're going to add the rice to the pot. Cook. All right. Okay guys, so we're now gonna get the chicken ready. So we're going to get this all seasoned up. So let's add the Goya season to it. So we're deep frying the chicken. And we're adding some garlic salt to it. And we're adding a little cayenne pepper to it. And just adding a little barbecue to it, barbecue sauce to it. Let's get all the seasoning marinated into it. Let's get a little of the Italian herb on it. All right. Okay. So we're just gonna add 2 eggs to it. Just get it all over. So in this, we're going to add our flour. And then we're going to add some seasoning to the flour. So the same season that you add to the chicken, you're basically adding it to the flour. We're just gonna mix it in. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is to add the chicken to it. Get everything immersed in the flour. If you want to use a bowl, you can use a bowl, but this is just quicker and easier for me. So we already have the oil preheat. So we're just going to add the chicken to it. So this is what the chicken looks like with the flour. Just add it. Okay guys, so the chicken is now ready. So we're going to take these out. See that nice brown color? That's the nice golden color you're supposed to have. So that's the egg with the flour, helps giving it that soft look and that golden color. Alright, so we're just taking these out. Look at it. Nice.
You can smell the aroma.
All right, guys, check in. We're now going to get the vegetable prepared. So we're using the organic coconut oil. We're just gonna add some to it.
Grandma, Mommy, where do you put it in the fridge?
No, it's right here. Go finish eat that one.
Oh.
So we already have our vegetable chops. So this is the onion and the bell pepper. So we're just gonna add it to the pot. We already have the scallion chopped, so we're gonna add it to it. Alright, so let's get this marinated. So we're gonna also check in on the fried chicken. So this is the end product of the fried chicken. So the chicken is all fried, and you see that nice golden brown color. That's what we want. And over here, let's check in. This is the curry goat. So we just have it on the pot here for it to just go and simmer down and cook down. So we take it out of the pressure cooker, and now we have it on the stove. So just stirring to it a little bit. So we're just allowing it to go down a little, and then we get that off. We're also checking on the rice. So who know them style here? So the rice needed a little more water. So instead of us adding water to it, just put the file paper over the pot cover, so that helps to keep the steam in and keep the rice moist. It is cooked very shelly, very nice.
Mommy?
Yes, son?
No paper in this.
Okay.
I don't like paper.
So we're just going to let this settle. Turn this off too. Alright. So with this, we're not going to allow the vegetables to cook out too much. We're going to add our broccoli to it. We're just adding the broccoli to it. Just give it a little stir. And then we're also going to add our seasoning for taste, just a little, for it to have some taste. So of course we're adding our Goya. Our Italian seasoning. And a little garlic salt. Alright, so we're just going to add the carrot to it. So the carrot was pre-cooked. We're adding the carrot to it. And we're adding our corn to it. Alright. So this is our vegetable looking all pretty and looking all yummy. Alright, so we're just gonna allow this to simmer and we should be finished. Okay guys, checking back, everything simmer. So the rice and peas set, vegetable set, fried chicken set and curry goat set. Yeah, everything sell off. So we're not going to share. So let's get the rice and peas in. Looking all nice, looking all pretty. The end product looks like. So this is the rice and peas, fried chicken, curry goat with some steamed vegetable. So let's dive down into it and see what it tastes like. So first let's give thanks. Lord, thank thee for providing this meal. Amen. And see Matthias over there in his chicken. Eat up your chicken, Papa. Or he's crying.
And then for God.
For this food, amen.
And for food, amen.
Good boy. But dive into your chicken now, Papa. So Matthias there in his chicken. Eat up. Awesome. How is it? Yummy? Nice. So let's taste the curry goat.
Nice.
Curry goat is well tender, very tasty.
Full of charge.
Yes, it's fully charged, Papa.
I love it.
Let's taste the rice and peas. The coconut in the rice and peas is awesome. Let's taste the fried chicken. Fried chicken, nice.
Yeah.
Guys, I wish you could come and taste some of this. Yes, so nice food, look good and food tastes nice, yeah. I wish you could taste it. Awesome.
Look attractive and nice.
So guys, tell me what you think about this. The fried chicken, curry goat, rice and peas and vegetable. Remember to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Big up yourself. We're going to go and eat our food.
Like a